I live in beautiful Hawaii. We love spending time outside whenever the weather is good. Some of our favorite things to do here are catching waves on a paddleboard, swimming and snorkeling, hiking and exploring the beautiful mountains, and playing with our dog, Kai. After playing hard outside, we get hungry and often eat pokeballs. You can find poke pretty much at any grocery store in Hawaii. There are many different kinds of poke. You can get poke by itself, or you can have it as a bowl which comes with rice. You can also easily make it at home. So, I'll show you how to make a poke bowl at home today. The most important thing is finding fresh fish. You can find fresh tuna usually at Japanese or Korean grocery stores. Your neighborhood grocery store might also have it, but just make sure to get sashimi grade. And if you are not sure, ask someone at the store. Alright, let's get started.